Good morning again. So, second video of the day. I really have hit my stride now, although I've neglected to change my clothing, so I apologise. So, onto a bit of a maths lesson today. We're going to do some measurement. So, for year two, you're going to be measuring items, maybe estimating first, which is kind of like guessing but using what you know, and then year three, kind of measuring and comparing. So, measuring at first is fairly difficult. Well, fairly straightforward, but few principles you have to adhere to. So, for example, if I had this very excitingly coloured book and I was trying to measure it in centimetres, would I start there and measure? I think, okay, I'll put it there. I've lined that up, so I'm going to say that is 27 centimetres. Or are you all shouting at the screen saying, no, Mr. Leslie, stop, that's not right. So, that's now better. You're all breathing a massive sigh of relief. So if I start on 0, I didn't estimate. So I've cheated a little bit, haven't I? Because I know roughly where it is in the ruler. But I think, well, it's over half a normal ruler. So I'd maybe think about 16 centimetres. Let's have a look. So I'm going to start on 0. I'm going to go 0. It is almost 21 centimetres. So you probably round that up to the nearest centimetre, 21. If you're being more accurate and you're maybe year 4, you might say, actually, that is. Turns out I wasn't on 0. So if I put it back on 0 again, that is exactly 21 centimetres. So 21 centimetres. I'm just going to write that down because I'll need that later. 21 centimetres. And then I'm going to think about the length here. So I'm going to say it's a bit shorter. I'm going to estimate about 12. Let's have a look. I'm going to put it on 0 again. I've definitely done that perfectly. So that is actually 14.6. So 14 centimetres, 6 millimetres. We'll round that up to the nearest centimetre. So we'll say 15. So 15 centimetres. And year 2, that would be your task. You would measure and you'd write down how, what that is. Okay. Year 3, you might have to compare. So you could think, actually, 21 and 15, this side is 6 centimetres longer. So 6 centimetres longer. So it is 6 centimetres longer than it is wide. So that would be your task, so comparison. If you're feeling like you want to measure something a little bit longer, you might use a tape measure. So this is one that I've borrowed off my wife. When I was younger, I was obsessed with moving it out and doing this and making sure my fingers didn't get caught there, but probably that's not the best idea. But now I've showed you, that's all you can be able to think about. So you can use a tape measure for measuring things that are longer, because we go there, it goes even longer than I can reach. And again, it's the same thing. You are measuring from 0 and measuring up. This one's a bit confusing because it shows centimetres, which are down here, and then it shows inches, which are here. And it is about 2.54 centimetres per inch. A little bit of bonus work for you. And how this works, once I can hold the lively thing in my hand, I'm going to measure the length of this dog toy that my dog has kindly retrieved for me. So I'm going to hold that at the nose. Don't worry, no pheasants were harmed in filming this video. This is a fake pheasant. And you can tell that because it squeaks. As opposed to crows, don't know, squawks. Not sure what real pheasants do. So, the problem is it's not quite straight. So if I can pull that down, we have 46 centimetres. You can definitely see that, 46 centimetres. Again, I forgot to estimate. Yeah, I probably have estimated about 35, so 46 centimetres. So that's 46. See, favourite bit, 46. If I rub out what I did earlier to get the length of that, so we've got 21 centimetres for the book, and then we have 46 centimetres for the pheasant. So 46, 21. You could use a number line to find the difference between 21 and 46. So 21, you might go to 30. And the difference between 21 and 30 would be 9, and then you might go to 40, which would be 10, and then 6. So you've got 21, 9 to go to 30, 9 to go to 30, 10 to go to 40, and then 6 to go to 46. So that would be 9, 19, and then 6. So the difference would be 25. So you could use a number line to work out the difference between that. And so year 3, that would be yours. Year 2, you're just measuring. Although year 2s, if you did want to do year 3 work and compare some things, that would also be amazing. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned a bit about measuring and a bit about comparing and even some subtraction in there as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.